Hello, my name is Travis Van Dyke. I'm a board certified orthopedic surgeon here at Orlando Orthopedic Center. I've been in Orlando now for about 6.5 years practicing orthopedic surgery. I was with a previous group for the last 6.5 years and now relocated and joined Orlando Orthopedic Center. And my areas of interest are sports medicine, total joint replacements, as well as I do take trauma call at the Dr. Phelps Hospital. These are the three areas that I focus most of my attention on in practice. Well, the medicine part of it is an example from my father. My dad is a retired OB/GYN. He's been a very good role model for me and mentor. All throughout high school and through college, I did well in the sciences. Plus, I love people, love helping people, did a lot of things with people. And it just seemed like a natural choice to go into medicine. Plus, I like to fix things. So when I got into medicine, getting into orthopedic surgery was really, again, a natural choice for me as much as fixing things and helping people out as much as I can. But outside of the practice, one of the things that was great about coming to Orlando is actually this is where I'm from. My wife is from here, and I'm from here. I was born and raised here. I went off to college in some other state schools in Florida. I went to medical school in Tampa. I did my residency in New Orleans for 5 years at the famed Charity Hospital. I left there just prior to Katrina, which is nice. It was a godsend that I was able to get out before the storm hit New Orleans. But it's great to be back in Orlando. We got reintegrated right into the community immediately. We have lots of friends and family that are from here. It's very nice to go and take the kids to school and see that there's friends we haven't seen since we were in junior high school, and their kids are at the same school. So it's really, in all, is a very small community, even though it's such a large city. But it really gives you a nice feeling to be at home in Orlando. Away from the office, I like to do a variety of things. Most of it involves family. I'm a soccer coach. I coach my little son who's 5. I coach my daughter who's 12 in soccer. I go to all the things that they like to participate in, some acting things for my older kids, my 15-year-old ninth grader. I also like to do other sports myself, play tennis on Tuesday nights and enjoy that time with my brother. My family still lives here. My wife's family still lives here, so we like to do things with them on the weekends, as well as all the water sports here in Orlando. It's a great place to grow up and participate in all the things you can do here. I treat a variety of things. I have a special interest in joints, as well as sports medicine and trauma, and so that gives me a variety of things that I feel comfortable doing. The three top joints that I operate on are the knee, the shoulder, and the hip, pretty much in that order. My most common surgery is the knee arthroscopy. That's the most common. Most orthopedic surgeons do. The next one is the shoulder arthroscopy, whether it be something simple or even as complicated as a reverse total shoulder arthroplasty. Total knee replacements up there. ACL reconstruction is also very common. Total hip replacements, I do some things that are different than other folks in town as well with that. We like patients when they come to our office to be very comfortable here, and one of the things we want to do is give them the time and the time with us to ask questions. But when they come in, they expect to be greeted with a smile, professionally. We have all the latest and greatest technology that we can use here, and when I like to see them, I like to talk. I like to let them ask questions. I certainly don't want any patient to leave here feel like they haven't had a chance to ask their question, that they weren't seen in a timely fashion, and that there was an appropriate treatment plan for them when they leave.